Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Would you like to transform your watch into a classy piece of jewelry? This stainless steel band levels up my Series 3 Apple Watch. I've been looking for a dressy watch band for a long time, and I'm kind of picky. And this really makes every outfit look even better. I love the shiny stainless steel. Silver and gold finish is perfect for me. It goes with dressy or casual or even glamming it up. It goes with everything I wear. And I love the beaded rice design. It's my favorite, and I've scrolled through a lot of designs. I found that this personally was the easiest time I've ever had with taking links out. The directions are simple. You just make sure you put the pin in the proper way when you go to reattach it, and it just slides right in. The gold cap is super helpful for putting the pins back in. I think this would be a great gift for someone, but I love it for myself. So enjoy this beautiful beads of rice design. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.